Alright, looks like we're gonna be working on the Rabbit today. I want to build a new tie bar. I have this old one here that used to work with the 020. Now that I have an 02J, it sticks out on this side a lot more. And the tie bar, or lower brace bar, whatever you want to call it. Let's see. See if we can see the... So that bolted right there where the control arm goes, and the other one goes on the other side. But as you can see now, I can't get there because of the... Can't make the hole because of the transmissions in the way. So I gotta lower this shit down to clear. And the reason I'm doing that is to stiffen up the front end, because these I don't think they're called ram horns, but the control arms, they're just sticking out. I just gotta tie these together, that way they don't flex. Because if you're driving a Rabbit down the road, you're basically driving a soup can, because that's what it feels like. So I gotta stiffen up the chassis, and that's the easiest way and the cheapest to do. So I got an inch square tubing and then an angle iron right here. So the plan is we'll do one side, cut it this way, something like this, is assuming this is on the driver's side or whatever side. Weld that square tube in. We're gonna trim this down and then drill a hole here, and then do the same thing on the other side. So I'm gonna start by measuring over there so I can cut these down and at least have an idea of how long they need to be. Chop saw, I cut, they should be 3.5 inches long on both sides, so I'm gonna use a flapper to smooth them out, and then we'll go see where I want to drill the hole at. So, yep. I don't know if you can see anything, but I'm gonna snug them up real quick. And then this 1-inch tubing. Oh shit, it's longer than the damn car. Let's go in there. Let's go something like that. Something like that. Tack city. So I got it all tacked up, 100% tacked. So I did have to so when you weld, obviously the metal pulls one way. That's why I tacked it like 4 spots before I fully weld it, so I want it so metal doesn't move too much, but it did anyway. But all I had to do was open up one of the holes a little bit so that the whole bar can fit, and then so I'm gonna go ahead and fully weld it now. But yeah, it's in there now, and pretty tight, pretty beefy. Well, I thought this was gonna be not, I thought it was gonna be kind of weak, but it's actually strong as shit. So I'll go ahead and put it on the table and weld it all around. Well, here it is. I threw a can of paint on it. The VHT, high temp, roll cage, whatever. So it's all done, welded. Oh shoot, hold up. Get the car, so who cares? Oh shoot, that's a lot of Loctite. Boom. I just had to move it quite a bit, like side to side. Because remember when I told you that I drilled a hole in this one? A little bit bigger hole because it kind of moved. I think that was the reason. But overall, I'm happy with how it turned out. Cool. On to other things. I'm sure you guys have heard me say that I'm trying to switch slicks, get bigger slicks. These are 22s and these are 23s that got lent to me. I'm gonna try these out and see how they are. These are my 22s. 22 by 8 by 13. And these are 23 by 8.5 by 15. So these are overly bigger. When we go down to Oregon, Woodburn for Pacific Waterline, we're gonna try them out, see how these do, and then I'll decide if I want to get 23s or 24.5s. Those are 22s. And then meanwhile, while that's happening, I switched on my brakes. I put my 4-piston wheel woods on there, and as soon as I put them on, no wheel. My stockies over there don't even fit anymore, so I gotta put a spacer on there. That's a 20 mil. But with that, my extended studs don't fit anymore, so I gotta pull these off and switch them out for longer ones, which I already have. So I'll go ahead and get those, and then we can swap them out real quick. Yeah. A lot more threads now. I like that. I like that. Looks a whole lot better. Nice. Well, that's it for this video. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side, and yeah, finish off. I mean, it's pretty easy. So, yep. On to the next one.